Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate, how to customize the iComfort mode in this device. So we will start with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's start with opening the settings. Then let's scroll and find the display. And here let's scroll down to find iComfort Shield. As you can see, in my case it is turned on. If you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher to turn it on without any kind of customization. Right now we've got it on the adaptive option, so let me simply tap on the iComfort Shield to customize it. So the adaptive mode is more or less automatic, because your device will automatically adjust the screen's color based on the time of the day. It will be the most visible at night, and during day you will not really see the difference. So let me set the custom one, where we can actually manually change it, so I can show you the difference between the color temperature. Here we've got this switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler. There is no difference, at least for me here. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. So now it is orangish. We can set a schedule here, so we can set it always on, which means that we have to manually turn it on and off. We can set it from sunset to sunrise. Right here, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. As you can see, you have to allow the location, or you can choose the custom option, so you have to manually choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. I'll pick always on. And here we've got also the enhanced comfort, so you can adjust color tones and contrast for more comfortable viewing at night. Let me maybe change the intensity a little bit and tap on this option here. I do not really see the difference. I don't know, maybe it will be visible at night. Alright, so this is the customization of the iComfort Shield, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, maybe not that way, unroll it on the right so we can open the control center. Let's open this section fully, unroll it fully, and now we have to try to find the iComfort or something like that, and I'm not sure, I don't think it is right here, maybe here. No, I cannot see the iComfort mode, which means that we have to manually add it. So to do that, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Here, let's tap on edit. And... alright, done. I'm not sure why we cannot really... Oh, here we've got the iComfort Shield, so I didn't see that, sorry. That's my mistake. So we've got the iComfort Shield. So all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. My bad. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.